My lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to uninstall Spotify music in Windows 11. So for this case we will go to the settings options. Here we'll click the apps. First we will search the Spotify is where. So we have to search Spotify. See the Spotify music. So here we will click here. We will uninstall from here, as well as we will do the advanced options. Click here. Here are the lots of things, specification, background permissions, run lots of things here. Now we will do the uninstall. Before that, if there have some kinds of problem, we can do the repair as well as the reset, do things. So now we will do the uninstall. See, click here. Uninstall this app and its settings. Your documents will not be affected, so click here. Now we will check it has or have or not. So Spotify, click here. See, the Spotify music apps has been reset or uninstalled. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.